Well, I made one hell of a mess out of my bench. So, stay tuned if you want to find out why. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Get Wrenched Garage. Well, I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek at what I've been working on. I've made one hell of a mess out of my bench, my work area here. And I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek at what I've been up to. So, I've been talking about it in recent videos about what I was going to do to the bike, but as you can see here, so while I'm making a full-length video on the whole process, I thought I'd just give you a little sneak peek. Yeah, and you can see here that I've had my fair share of tools out here. I thought we'd do that, and then we'd also do a little mail call because some of you all sent me some good mail, so I thought I'd open that on this video. So let's check out what I've been working on. So check it out, here it is, the new fender mod. So yeah, I've chopped the fender, I've chopped the struts. I'm doing an upcoming video on how I did this, and honestly, it's been just kind of figuring it out as I go. Like I've said, I've never done this, so I'm kind of doing it as I go, figuring it out. But so far, I think so good. I've got the old fender off and the new fender on, and I've cut this one to the shape that I liked, and I still got some tweaking to do on it. I got to shape some of the edges a little bit better. I have a few more things to do to finish it up to it's 100% complete, but I got to put some new LED tail lighting in, and obviously paint. Right now this is just the raw steel, but and I'm kind of figuring this out as I go, so it's taking me a little bit longer than I'm sure someone who's done this before, but I think it's coming out pretty good so far. But this is a little sneak peek. And check these out. These are the new LED taillights I'm putting in from Karaoke. These things are hella bright. I test wired these up earlier, and just to see how to wire them up, because you can see there's all wires here. But when I wired them up and turned the bike on, man, these things are bright. Once these things are in, they're gonna be pretty sweet. Here's the back end of the strut. So once this was cut, there was no turning back. Cut these struts off and can't go back to the old fender after that. So I cut the strut right here, and I rounded off the edge, and then I primed and painted it just with a spray can. But finish looks pretty good and blends in pretty nicely to the old paint. But overall, I'm really happy with the way it's turned out so far. I'm really close to getting the bike back working again. I got to get those lights in. And I'm going to take it out this weekend and ride around because the weather's really nice. So I just need to get those taillights in so I can get out this weekend. But I think I'm going to place them like right here so they stick out like right there. Once I get those wired in, I'll be able to ride around. And then next week I have some paint coming in for the fender. I'm going to do like a hot rod black on that, and we'll paint it next week. So that's just a little sneak peek of the upcoming mod series video on chopping the rear fender and chopping the struts and kind of getting that look I've been going for, I've been talking about. So before I go, thought I would do a little mail call from some viewers who have sent some stuff in. So put it on the messy bench, and let's break out the switchblade here and start opening up. All right, so first up here we have a package from the Blue Bike and Doyle. He's a really good dude. If you haven't checked out his channel, you need to go do that right now, and I'll put a link up in the corner here. And Doyle's got a lot of fun content on his channel, so I enjoy watching it a lot. So go check it out if you can. Oh man, look at this. Tons of poker chips here. Oh man, look at all this stuff. All the different Harley dealers. Look, man, this is awesome. Hey, thanks, Doyle. Let's check out what else we got here. We got a letter, they get wrenched. Thanks for the stickers and support. Here are some of mine from Ty. Ty from Tennessee, he's another good channel. Go check him out as well. Got some poker chips and ride safe, the Blue Bike and Doyle. Thanks so much, Doyle, I appreciate it. Got Ty from Tennessee, a couple of those, and Blue Bike and Doyle. And these will definitely be going on the toolbox with all the other ones. And I'm definitely gonna have to figure out a better way to display these now, because I have a few other ones from Homebees and Deluxe Chimp. All right, next up, we got from Tommy G. And another couple cool stickers from PSP Tommy G. And a letter, hello fellow YouTuber, congrats on starting to ride motorcycles. You're doing great, that Iron 83 you're riding is cool. As is your YouTube channel. Keep up the great work, and I look forward to more content on your channel. PSP Tommy G. Thanks, Tommy G. I'll hit your link up in the corner here. Another good channel. I appreciate all this, the YouTube support. And these are really cool stickers. I love the hologram sticker. All right, next up, this is from Motorcycling with Carl. Another awesome sticker that's going on the toolbox. Hey Johnny, thanks for sending your channel sticker. It's an awesome design. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. I'll be checking out as many videos as I can to help with the view time. Thanks for the great content. Laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe. Motorcycling with Carl. Thanks, Carl, man. Appreciate the sticker. Always trying to help out a fellow YouTuber. You know, I just love the YouTube community and the motorcycling community on YouTube. So I try to seek out as much motorcycle related content on YouTube because I believe the community is the biggest part of it. All right, moving on. Let's see, we got one more over here. And this is from Ruckus Rides, right from here in Florida, from Deltona. And another couple cool stickers from Ruckus Rides. Now this is a really cool sticker. I like the artwork. So that's from Ruckus Rides. You know, thanks to everyone who sent something in. I really love the motorcycling community on YouTube and the motovloggers. I try to seek out as much motorcycle related content on YouTube that I can and subscribe and support. And we're all doing the same thing and we all have the same love for motorcycles. So if you're interested in doing a sticker swap, you know, hit me up on Instagram at GetWrenched. And I'll do my best to send out a sticker to you. It takes me a little bit usually, but you know, I have a limited run of stickers at the moment, but if I do run out, I will make more. Appreciate it as always. But stay tuned for upcoming videos because I'm going to finish this mod up and I'm gonna get back out on the road and get some more content because the weather is just getting nice here in Florida. So as always, I'm gonna finish this mod up today, get the lights back in, get everything working again so I can get back out on the road and make more content. But I will be finishing up this as soon as possible, and especially when the paint gets in. But you know, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and hit that bell to get notified of upcoming videos. And as always, keep riding, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one, YouTube. All right, peace.